Be it yay or a nay, Hollywood has taken on social media in droves to express their sentiment on Donald Trump's win. But the usually tweet-happy Bollywood, very own Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra have kept it zipped. Silence is golden, but not for this one. The entire world can't stop gushing on social media, either mourning Hillary Clinton's defeat or Donald Trump's win. But the Indian exports to Hollywood have surprisingly kept silent. Quantico star Priyanka Chopra, who had just a day ago posted a video urging her fans to vote,
I may not be American, but I am a global citizen, and the outcome of this election is going to impact the entire world. If you can vote, there is too much at stake in this election not to. Do not underestimate how loud your voice can be. Go out there and vote tomorrow on November 8th. Don't miss your chance of being a part of history. The world is counting on you. Learn more at iwillvote.com. Be the change you want to see. Vote.
The actress, who had hobnobbed with the Obamas at this year's annual White House Correspondents' Dinner, had claimed that she has a stake in the elections because she is a global citizen. But on results day, there was nothing but silence from her side. Then there is Deepika Padukone, who usually floods our Instagram feeds with pictures of her hanging out with her American co-stars from XXX Return of Xander Cage. There was radio silence from her too. We also expected to hear from Freida Pinto, who went from an unknown face in Mumbai to global fame in Slumdog Millionaire. An outspoken feminist and philanthropist, Freida too decided to restrain from commenting on the hot topic of the day. Mallika Sherawat, who once claimed to be BFFs with the Obamas and tweeted in support of Hillary, was MIA on Twitter today, while other members on the Desi contingent in Hollywood like Nimrat Kaur, Irfan Khan, Rahul Khanna and Nargis Fakhri too have chosen pin-drop silence as their response to Trump. A controversial candidate with a history replete with allegations of racism and sexism have won the US elections. One would expect these otherwise outspoken celebs to respond, especially as the crux of his campaign was his promise to keep out immigrants like Priyanka and Deepika from America. But it is obvious that the stars would rather play safe than take a stand. Others might keep quiet but trust Mahesh Bhatt to speak up. The filmmaker has been busy on Twitter since the early hours yesterday, and when Spotboy team asked him about the surprising silence on Trump from the Bollywood experts, he retorted, "How would I know why Priyanka and Deepika are not tweeting? My friends in Hollywood actually cried when they found out. A lot of them are considering immigrating to Canada. America has entered its worst chapter," he added. With Trump as President of the United States, will Indian artists looking for work in Hollywood find their path made tougher? We wondered. Mahesh dismissed the fears with this quip: "Americans are self-obsessed. We do not matter in their scheme of things. If we think we do, we are simply delusional." Did you hear that, Deepika and Priyanka?